when I call Bro Gad. And if nothing hurt them, me I go so mad. Cause them real, them no fake, them no tree like snake. Come and make it everybody get a slice of the cake. Some friend, when I call Bro Gad. If nothing hurt them,
Trafalgar Park in New Kingston is our location for this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Chrissy, and we have your weekly entertainment fix. Let's get right into it. The 16th staging of the Port Royal Seafood Festival took place over the Heroes Weekend. Let's check out the highlights.
Jamaican traditional things that we love. I don't know why we have ackee as the national dish, because when you think about breadfruits and mackerel, they're the national dish because we cook that almost every single day. So I paired both things, brochet and mackerel, but I did it in an unconventional way. So I actually escovitch the mackerel, and then I mashed out the breadfruits, and I did it with some cheese and deep fried it. So I did it in two unconventional ways because I wanted to show that the dish could be done in different ways. It tastes nice, and I pureed sweet potato, so that's on the bed of the plate that both things are on. But it tastes good. All of them man have big belly, all them do I eat. They don't know how to cook.
How was the experience overall for you?
Oh, it was great, and congratulations to Jenny because 16 years is a very long time, you know, and for Grace to be supporting an initiative like this that brings us to Port Royal. Many of us don't usually come Port Royal on the regular, so I'm very, very happy to be here, and the experience was good. The festival is lovely.
Yeah, the cook off nice, you know. I mean, it's no new experience because D-Burns are cook from long time. From about grade 5, we are cook Sunday dinner, but a long time we know. Go in on the mackerel that way, you understand? We go coconut milk, we go coconut milk powder, you understand? We go Wally Pascal, yes, you understand? So Grace, I just be a Grace products, you understand? So it's phenomenal, it's been phenomenal.
What was your meal today? What did you prepare?
My meal today was the fireful Grace coconut curried jack mackerel. So you know, said that hot.
Is to make the sound of a rooster. You know that one there, Grace up on the cock soup label. Rooster now will wake up people at morning time. Ready now? Your challenge, the finest challenge. I mean, when you see this and hear this every day, just picture Rex go across the road. Our Nissan son is slapping out of the road. Make the sound of the noise when a dog has been hit by a car. Yes, you might fall on you. Now let go just so we call and you know you're chatting to. Chatting till I reach my destination. We're flowing like the birds.
have lots and lots of youngsters, whole heap of them. And what I love is that we get the whole family. And what we love is that we really were able to start bingo early. No, the bingo was a surprise because when we did it, we didn't expect that you'd have so many people turning out early for it, for the bonanza, for the Excelsior Yellow prizes. So that for us worked well. The Grace Kennedy, what I love is that all the sponsors sell off. For me, that is just really so encouraging. JF Mills sell off, New Pack sell off, Grace Kennedy doing well, all the deeds are doing it. Excelsior, Lord of His Mercy, with of course them have all these new products as well are able to launch here. And finally, of course, what is fabulous is to have new people. So when we Sweet 16, you gotta get something new in there, right? So we're able to have Sagicor Bank on board, and it was encouraging to see people making sure to sign up for the new swipe machine so they can go cashless, or they can do cash as well as cashless. So very happy that we're able to do all of that, and that for me was fantastic. For me, as long as I can handle the show can move smoothly along, then yes, I have achieved my objectives.
Talk to me about the cook-off, the celebrity cook-off.
No, that was a surprise. So you take a character like Mr. Gary Allen, who is very subdued. You don't expect him to get wild. Look here, the man walk with narrative. Him walk with a story. And it worked well. It was impressive. And then Triple X. You expect Triple X to be comedian, but no fit on it in a sound DJ. And then the Janelle girl, who is an influencer, kind of shy, but of course it was good for her, and she kept saying thanks for making me a part of this. And then we talk about that D Burns, who is aka Mr. Brandon. As an actor, he's just so humble, so talented, that him take the microphone, the music reach him while he's waiting to hear when place My Youth was on the stage. And Debbie Bissoon, who has another show, who still turn up, oh my God, and Burger Man, and how they banter and mouth each other. It was better than I expected when I put them together.
Grace Tropical Rhythms been a part of the festival for a very long time. How do you describe the relationship with Grace Tropical Rhythms?
Oh, fantastic. The relationship is partnership. We do it together, we plan together from the very start. We had a motorcade this year, and bikers, and went downtown and went to all the different schools, and the schools are here, which is also why we have more of them.
Those were the highlights from the Port Royal Seafood Festival. After the break, we meet Kyng Taj, and Stylo G drops the Dumpling remix. We'll soon forward.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Nephew, our spirit.
We are top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we are shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gallopers. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We are hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we are prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we are headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know hide with the Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a sack. Take charge, take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge.